There has been some reports of people having issues with the 1809 to Windows 10 update. Microsoft even canceled the update until they fix the problem. I updated on October 2nd, the day it came out. I have had no issues at all, and they are not saying how many people or the percentage of people being affected. Some people have said that they have lost a lot of files, music, and information that it got deleted. That is the number one thing you should do when you update your system. If you have sensitive or important information on your hard drive, the first thing you should do is back up your files. There is always the possibility of you having your files deleted or something terrible happening cybernetic wise, computer wise. That's why I always have a recovery drive on an important place. We have to take care of our information. Companies nowadays, their first update to an operating system, it's a disaster. Just look what is happening to the iPhone XS or 10s, however you want to call it. iOS 12 has been having a lot of issues. Apple already said they will fix them. If you want to help the channel grow, become a Patreon or donate money to my PayPal. This was Mr. Tech Talk. Until next time, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up or subscribe.